Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Jumba's 335i with a Street Fighter LA wide body kit. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so here is the top layer off. We still have to go ahead and cut the inner structure, and then from there Kevin's gonna make a little fab piece to both pieces up together because there's a lot of space in between there, so much room for activities right there, and that's gonna give us the clearance that we need for these big thick boy wheels. And other than that, that should be pretty much everything that we have to do with the rear quarters. So using the same piece of metal, we're gonna go ahead and shape it and make this the little patch that we use. So as Kevin likes to say, we're gonna be using the OEM BMW metal, custom BMW metal.
All right guys, so we have the inner structure all fully cut out. Have a cardboard template mocked up so you can get an idea of what the filler pieces will be looking like. So let's go ahead and cut those out of our OEM sheet metal.
All right, after a nice long productive day, we went ahead and took care of some of the dents that were on Kev's car. Just a couple little dents here and there. Got the fitment where we needed to be, and over here had some cracks on the kit. They're very small cracks, but we went ahead and repaired those, repaired all these, and then we're gonna go ahead and re-drill them out. Got a little bit of body work still to go on the rest of the car, but we took care of all the little things and dents all the way through the car. So next up, the only thing that's gonna be really left is to finish the body work on the kit, primer up the dents, the kit, block it, and get it ready for prep so this thing can get wrapped. So we're pretty much almost done. This is gonna be a super quick video, but it's coming along. Okay, so we got the whole kit mounted up with that fresh Downstar hardware all the way through, except for this one. This still has the self-tappers on. Because we still have to mount the kit properly, the rest of the kit is definitely coming along. Took care of all the dings and dents, and today we're gonna go ahead and get started on the rest of the body work for the kit. So let's get into it. Here's one side down. We still got 3 to go. Over here we have the other rear quarter panel add-on, and we're just kind of going over all the little pockets right here, making sure all the stuff is ready for wrap and body work. This is gonna need a whole bunch of body work, just like this rear one right here. And this is just to make sure when you get the primer on there and you block it and it's ready, that it's not gonna look wavy. So anytime you have products with fiberglass, you're always gonna need a little bit of body work to make them straight. Now over here on the front over fenders, so what you gotta do is prep them up to get them bonded. So what we're gonna use to bond it is this SEM multi-purpose panel adhesive or panel bond. Good for metal, it's good for plastic, for fiberglass. So what we're gonna do right now, what Kevin over here is doing, is making a backing plate to give it a little bit of strength, and that way when we go ahead and apply our panel bond, it's just not a little piece sitting over on top of each other or overlapping. So this is gonna be exactly line up with the rocker panel and pretty much sit exactly where we need it to. Something like that. So after it's been panel bonded and cured, we'll do the body work on top of that with some fiberglass, Marglass, Bondo, and so on and so forth. So we're gonna go ahead and start mixing this stuff up. First thing that you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and prep the surface. So we went ahead and hit this with 80, our backing plate with 80 as well as the piece of the side skirt that we're gonna go ahead and add. We're gonna hit that with 80 as well. And we're gonna get our dual mix from SEM ready to apply right now. So we're just gonna go get our gun, use the applicator tip right here, and let it sit for about 90 minutes.
The next day.
Okay, so a day later, we went ahead and sanded down the panel bond, added a little bit of fiberglass to both of these. We're gonna go ahead and let that dry. As soon as these dry, we're gonna go ahead and see how hard this product did get. All right, so these fenders have been fiberglass and reinforced with panel bond, so I think they're gonna be ready for some body work. This is more or less how it will fit on the car, something like this. Kevin, you guarantee your work here? You think these things are gonna be nice and strong?
Nice and durable. These are Russo reinforced.
Yeah, Russo reinforcement. We're gonna need a new fender.
So, who broke it?
So both quarter panel extensions or over fenders are complete, ready for their primer. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the fronts and get these in primer, do a little bit of body work on the bumper extensions and the over fenders for the front fenders. And other than that, that should pretty much wrap up this after it's been primered. We'll just go ahead and give it a wet sand and get this thing ready to go. All right, here she is, all wrapped up. It is getting flawless. Side skirts on there, nice and clean. Took care of all the little dings and dents. My Kevin over here just putting everything back together, and she'll be ready to go here very shortly. The boys just pulled up, so we're gonna get their first initial reaction, kind of see what they think of the kit. I think it came out really nice, and I think the wheels look even better. They should have painted it, but they'll be in good hands over there at Premium. But you know, paint would look so much better. That's just my opinion. I don't know, what do you guys think? Paint or wrap? Let me know. Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think. Is it paint or is it wrap? What's your guys' preference? Take a quick look at this thing. Kit just fits flawlessly. Now we did have to do a little bit of work to make it fit that way, but I mean, that's with almost any kit out there. You're gonna have to give it a little bit of love to get everything fit how it's supposed to. The rear as well, everything's looking really nice. Got the holder on here in the back. Oh man, I think this thing would have looked amazing with a fresh coat of blue on there. I love this color. I love this body style, man. I'm starting to become a little bit of a Beamer guy myself after building that E46 M3, but this thing's looking great. Go ahead and get Kevin's initial reaction right now. From one Kevin to another, what do you think he's gonna think of this wide body?
I hope he likes it just as much as I liked it. So yeah, it was a fun kit. Definitely would do it again.
Wait, I actually totally forgot. There's a fifth car we're looking at today.
What?
Calvin's Supra.
Sheesh.
Damn, I forgot.
You ready to see that thing?
I am ready. Is it like in pieces yet?
It's in pieces.
Oh, you put it, you took it apart.
It's taken apart.
Okay, so it would be
It's
like...
worse than we thought.
Really?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
You're
the guy
bullshitting
that
me.
they sent to come look at the car stuck in the old ages, so who knows what kind of estimate he's gonna write us. But
She gone.
Damn.
Totaled.
Maybe.
You just decided to throw Kevin's wheels on. You didn't even ask. You just did it.
Are you gonna show? You can't be showing
Damn. I'm showing the wheels.
No.
Show him.
Oh! Look at that! Look at that! TJ, look at that!
Damn. That looks good. That looks real good. Dude.
What do you think, Kev?
I love it. It looks so good. Because before, when I gave it to you, we had no wheels, we had no splitters. So I was driving around like a spaceship.
Exactly.
Did I tell you the story?
I'm
telling everyone the story. So I was driving it, right? You know, I don't care. I was driving it like a spaceship.
Yeah.
This truck comes up to me. He sticks his hand out the window. He's like, yo. And then he slowly goes like this.
Oh,
And then he drives away.
Damn.
He drives away.
Fitment police,
Dude,
huh?
damn. But now get it. Can't believe you had these for so long. You didn't sell them?
I got a couple offers, but I was thinking about throwing it on mine too. But I don't
You
know.
should've. You
It was too wide. It's pretty wide.
Damn, that's pretty good. I have a 10 mil spacer. I can still slap on you.
Yeah.
It looks spot on.
To be honest, I think
It
it'll
looks
be good.
spot
I think
on.
you just need a beefier tire
I do, but I didn't want to spend the money.
to get a beefier tire.
305 was maxed out on these.
Oh, that is a 305. That's crazy.
Way bigger meat.
It makes it look smaller.
No, TJ, but stand right here.
Dude,
look at my
I thought
lip.
he's saying
Look
this
at my-
is a 305.
Yeah,
it looks like
yeah.
a 215.
Look at my fit though.
You need an R888s or something a little bit thicker. Like you could probably throw an R888 305. Well, these are also, these are 19.
These are 19 305s.
All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and take a second to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out way more than you know. I'm gonna go ahead and drop our IG link right here so you guys can see all the newest content first. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.